brothers and sisters of this small planet. Now we are in 21st century. In spite of a lot of development with help of technology, science, these things, however, we also create more human-made problems. So I often telling those problems which human being created. This logically, we human beings have the responsibility to reduce these problems and finally eliminate these problems because we created. So these problems we created, but we rely on praying to God or to Buddha. This I think sometimes I feel a little bit illogical. Problem we created. Now some solution seeking some from above. So now on top of that, the climate change, environment problem. I think to some extent, the whole position of whole galaxies now changing. So the position of our own planet, this blue planet, also is changing, and also the sun's or the sun's own sort of situation also changing. So these also I think some relations. Then certainly, according to many experts, we human beings also have serious sort of responsibility, to change this weather condition and global warming. So this is a question of one nation or two nations. This is a question of humanity, whole world. Our world is the only sort of our home. If this planet is due to global warming or some other sort of the environmental sort of problems, if this cannot sort of live, then there is no other planet where we may move or shift. So this is the only home. So therefore, we have to take serious sort of concern about protection of environment and also serious concern about global warming. This respect, I always is telling, Tibet usually people call roof of the world. So according to some specialists, they say because of Tibet altitude very high and dry climate, so once the ecological thing damage, it takes longer time to recover by nature. So therefore, the environment situation in such sort of area is very, very delicate. Many Indian specialists told me like that. Then some Chinese environmentalists, they described Tibetan plateau as third pole because the effect, the global warming from Tibetan plateau is as much as South Pole and North Pole. So they describe Tibet third pole. So these are not political statement, but the expression of expert, scientist. So therefore, and then this something not only concern for Tibetan people, but this is concern for, I think, over billion human life, including men in China and also this southern sort of area of Himalaya, including Pakistan, Bangladesh, and then India. So I think the major rivers which cover from China up to Pakistan, you see, I think over a billion human life depend on this river. So therefore, you see, the protection or serious concern or protection about the Tibetan environment is not only concern for people on that area, but large number of people on this planet, this part of the world. And then also some experts say the Tibetan sort of Tibetan sort of plateau condition also, you see, may affect some other part of the world. So therefore, it is something very, very important that I want to share, to tell you. So these are not a political matter, not religious matter, but these are ultimately survival of humanity or question of healthy world, healthy planet. So that I want to tell you. And then, as I mentioned earlier, these are the humanity's responsibility. Then among the humanity, the older generation, usually I describe generation of 20th century, now we almost now fading, including myself. So now the generation of 21st century, the young brothers, sisters, you should take more active role, protection of this planet, and including Tibetan environment. That I want to share with you. Thank you.